Okay, so we got USD yen doing kind of exactly what I thought it would. Exactly what I drew out a while ago. So I can delete these here. I do believe that the yen pairs are resuming their normal trajectory up. So, but the US dollar is weak, so it's not going to be the same as the other pairs necessarily. The USD, like the dollar, the US dollar, and the pound is going to be a little bit different regarding the, like pound yen and USD yen. It's going to be a little bit different than the other yen pairs because I think the US currency and the pound currency is losing a little bit of value, but we'll delete this for now. It's still bullish though. It's way above this moving average, so we're going to look for a buy. But we got to figure out some entries here. So this area is obviously significant, but I don't know if price will make it back down to this area. First things first, we got to check our monthly range. So on this pair, it's about 700 pips. So I have that marked out already, but we will move these up. And again, these are not set in stone, but I like to have them in play just to see kind of where I want to target things. So right now we'll set them at 142. We'll set the low at 142 and the high at 149. And we'll just kind of see what price does in the next couple days. If it pulls back and creates a little support area here, then that might be good to enter. Put a line here so we know when the end of the month is. Obviously price would have to break this upper area as well, but I'm sure that'll be no problem. Once the bulls resume, you can see it's already putting in higher highs, so there is some bullish structure there already, so that's a good sign. I just want to see price come down and reject something. So ideally be something like this, right at this 42 zone, so this 142 zone. So that's what I want to see here. I'm going to set an alert here, because when price comes down to here, if it comes down here, which I think it will, then that's probably where your good buy is going to be. Buy entry would be, and I would set my targets something like this. I mean, this zone is, I just drew this right now. We don't know exactly what this is going to look like, but I would keep your stop just below this area kind of thing, so you don't get stopped out. And then maybe you might get 15, 20 R depending on where your entry is on this zone and what exactly price does. If it comes down and creates a nice support area that you're able to get in and then catch this upward move for the month, then that'd be great. So that's what we're gonna wait for. I got my alert set. You guys can set your alert too. We'll check back on this probably tomorrow sometime and go from there.